How to create folders in Outlook. So if you want to create folders in Outlook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to search for Outlook and launch your Outlook application. Now, once you open up your Outlook mail, if you want to create folders, then here on the left side, as you can see that you will have a lot of options, right? So here, if you go with all folders, which is right here, go with the drop down, and here you will have all of the folders. So if you want to add your folder, if you want to customize a new folder, or if you want to create a new folder, then for example, I'll just create a new folder under the inbox section. So on the inbox, you can either right click on that, or you can go with the right side, which has that three dots. And here you're going to have an option of create new subfolder. So you can go with create new subfolder and create some folders. Add the folder name, go with save, which is on the right side, and that's it. The folder has been created. In the same way, you can either go with the junk email or draft or sent items and go with the three dots, which is on the right side, and then you can create a new subfolder. Or you can also go with the three dots, which is right here, and you can create a new folder. Just go and create, give a name, and then your folder or your subfolders has been created. That's how you can create folders. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.